The Aurora police officer who shot and killed a man after a traffic stop had his credibility called into question by a judge in an earlier case. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Christensen.
I'm Alexandra Lewis. Documents obtained by 9 News Investigate show the judge did not believe the officer's under oath testimony in a burglary case. That officer's statements are now at the center of the ongoing investigation into the August 30th shooting. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates has the latest.
A few clips from an Aurora police officer's body camera and a bystander's video captured the fatal confrontation with a man named Rajon Belt Stubblefield.
A tragedy at every level.
According to Aurora police, an officer tried to stop Belt Stubblefield for a traffic violation. Belt Stubblefield's car crashed into another vehicle, and a confrontation ensued. Police alleged Belt Stubblefield tossed a gun. Aurora Police Chief Todd Chamberlain said the officer had been involved in prior uses of force, but had no red flags in his background.
He also had personnel complaints, but there was nothing of major issue.
But 9 News Investigates has learned that in 2019, a judge found the officer's testimony in a burglary case not credible, adding the officer's words were inconsistent with body camera video.
That is pretty serious.
Ashley White is a Denver criminal defense attorney.
That is a judge finding that this officer is not to be trusted under oath in a court of law.
The judge threw out evidence collected by the officer and his partner, calling their actions blatant violations of the man's constitutional rights.
I think the public should be very concerned. It speaks to his credibility and reliability as an officer, but also his reliability in following the sort of protections that are put in place.
The officer is on paid leave while the shooting is being investigated by a multi-agency team. One of their tasks is to interview the officer about what he saw and heard and why he decided to shoot. To be clear, the officer has not been accused of wrongdoing in this most recent incident, and we are choosing at this time not to name him. Once the investigation is complete, the Arapahoe County District Attorney will determine whether any of the officer's actions violated state law. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Very interesting developments, Kevin, that I'm not sure a lot of folks saw coming, so thanks for staying on top of this for us.